Hi guys, weather is warming up and so travel season is approaching, and so we want to be prepared not only with a cheap suitcase but with a very high quality suitcase like this one here, which I have to show. Yeah, can make a huge difference if you have just a basic suitcase or a top-notch suitcase with all the features, high quality components, also beautiful one like this one here. So I'm going to show you everything which you can expect from this awesome suitcase here, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. Of course, one of the most important things are high quality zippers, not only inside but of course also especially outside. And so we have here woven in tough zippers from the very famous brand YKK, and the zipper can be locked here in this TSA approved lock, and the number can easily be changed with entering the original number, then push in with a toothpick on the right side. Then you can switch to any kind of number, and to confirm the number we have to slide the unlock button to the right side, and now it's open and we have added the new lock number. So to check, we lock it again, change the number, try to unlock, it's not working. So we switch to the changed number, slide to the right side, and it's open. Super easy. That's exactly how we want it. And what we also can see is this hanging hook here. That's a great innovative feature which you can use, for example, for small bags. So for example, for check-in, you don't have to put your bags on the desk and then you are prone to forget it. Just hang it here and you won't forget it. And then we have two handles on top, the normal handle, solid handle to lift it. But of course we have also this telescope handle. You can pull it out in different heights. You can see we can pull it out pretty much full length. So we can pull this suitcase comfortably along the hallways. Of course, also thanks to the high quality wheels. They can spin 360 degrees and the wheels are very high quality. So that makes it not only very easy to pull, but also very important that they are running very, very quiet. And we have another excellent feature here on the side, and that's the bottle holder. So we can just push here, lift it up. And so we have now a perfectly secure place for our drinks like water bottle or coffee or tea. And while you're not using it, very easy to close again. And of course, thanks to the large zipper, we can open it fully. On the right side, we have this flexible strap, easy to open, easy to close again. And your valuable stuff is nicely protected with this high quality liner here inside against all the mechanical parts. And on the other side, we have the large opening, which we can fully secure, fully close with this zipper here. That's also very important for the small parts. So they are fully locked in, not falling out, not moving. And on top we have two pockets, one with this mesh here, and the other one is even a wet pocket, something which I've never seen before. It's protected against humidity to the upside and also to the downside, so it's not leaking to your valuable items. Comes in this beautiful design, exactly in the size for standard carry-on luggage. An absolute beauty, perfect for your travel. So for me, makes really an awesome impression. I haven't found any negative points here. I've been looking into everything. I couldn't find any open seams, couldn't find any mechanical problems. Looks like everything is really built in awesome quality. Of course, it's not the cheapest suitcase in this class, but probably one of the better ones. Also has some decent stability. It's not one of these cheap suitcases which can easily bend. I mean, of course, it's bending, but there are some limitations. You can push and then you can feel there's quite some resistance. So there's really, really good protection, I would say. Definitely way above average. I've tested already a couple of them and I would say that's the best one I found so far. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.